Imagine this. It's 2026. And this is the year regular people just like you, become millionaires faster than any generation before them. Not because they worked harder, not because they got lucky, but because they understood how to use one thing, AI. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you can genuinely change where you end up in the next 12 to 18 months. We're living through the biggest shift since the invention of the internet. Only this time, something different is happening. AI isn't just impressive anymore, it's practical, cheap, and everywhere. Tools that used to cost companies tens of thousands of dollars are now either free or $20 a month. The world has changed from AI is cool to AI is a money-making engine. Here's the truth nobody likes to admit: you're no longer competing with humans. You're competing with people who know how to use AI. People who can produce 10 times faster than anyone else. And the real question is this: are you going to be the one using AI, or the one being replaced by the person who does? Every major technology wave has created a new generation of millionaires. The internet did it in the 2000s. Social media did it in the 2010s. Crypto did it in the early 2020s. But AI is different from all of them. AI doesn't require capital. It doesn't require a team. It doesn't require permission. What used to take 10 employees can now be done by just you, and the right prompts. It's like someone placed a money printing machine in the middle of the world and said, "Here, use it however you want." But before AI can make you money, you have to understand the 4 skills that separate the people who make millions from the people who watch from the sidelines. The first is AI creation. This is using AI to generate what people already pay for: graphics, videos, websites, ads, content, email campaigns. If you can produce it faster and cheaper than the market, you win instantly. The second is AI automation. And this is where real wealth comes from. Businesses will pay unbelievable amounts of money just to save time. If you can automate customer support, lead generation, data entry, scheduling, email replies, onboarding, anything, businesses will throw money at you. The third is AI decision-making. This is using AI for strategy, market research, product ideas, financial analysis, competitive positioning. People who know how to ask AI the right questions will always stay ahead. And the fourth is AI distribution. This is the part 99% of people ignore. You can create content and products, yes. But can you get them in front of 1,000 people? 10,000? 100,000? AI doesn't just help you create, it helps you distribute, through SEO, script writing, content batching, and targeted ads that used to take teams of experts. Master these 4 skills and 2026 becomes the most profitable year of your life. Before we move on, I want you to imagine something. Imagine making more in 1 month than you used. Make in an entire year. Not because you burned yourself out, but because you learned how to work with a machine that never sleeps, never complains, and never slows down. Your first million doesn't start with a big business. It starts with one small AI skill, multiplied by systems. And in the next part, I'm going to show you the exact AI-powered business models that can take you to your first million, even if you're starting from zero. You do not want to miss this. Let's continue. The business models that will make you a millionaire in 2026 foot. Now that you understand why 2026 is the year of AI wealth, let's dive into the part most people never get to hear: the exact business models that will produce the next wave of millionaires. Not maybe, not possibly. These models are already creating quiet millionaires today, and they explode in 2026. They're not reserved for tech geniuses or people with money. They're built for regular people who decide to learn how to use AI. Let's start with the first one, the AI agency model. This is where you use AI to offer services that used to require full teams: video editing, graphic design, SEO optimization, social media management, content writing, website development, ad creation, brand identity, even virtual assistants. The reason this model works so well is simple: businesses always need content, and AI helps you deliver it 10 times faster. Imagine creating a full social media campaign for a business in 1 day. Imagine building a website in less than an hour, or generating a month's worth of video content in a single afternoon. AI lets you do the work of an entire agency by yourself. And because you're fast, your prices undercut big agencies, but your quality looks like you have a studio of 20 people behind you. Some creators today are already making six figures using nothing but ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, CapCut, and a bit of creativity. In 2026, when AI becomes even more advanced, this model becomes one of the easiest ways to build massive income without needing a big team or office. The second business model is AI automation for businesses, and this is where true wealth hides. Every business owner is drowning in tasks they hate: emails, customer replies, onboarding employees, scheduling meetings, updating spreadsheets, generating reports, sending reminders, doing follow-ups, answering frequently asked questions. These tasks take hours of their time, and they would do anything to get them off their plate. If you walk into a business and show them how AI can save them 10 hours a week, they won't argue with you. They will literally ask, "How soon can you set this up?" And that's where the magic happens. Once you set up their system, it works on autopilot. Month after month, you get paid for something you built once. This is how people quietly make serious money. No followers, no fame, no public content. They simply help businesses run smoother. Imagine having 10 businesses paying you monthly for AI systems you installed weeks ago. That alone can replace your income, your rent, your bills, and give you a foundation to scale into real wealth. The third AI business model is AI content domination, the modern-day gold rush. In the past, building a YouTube channel, a TikTok page, or a personal brand took filming, editing, retakes, and hours of work. Today, AI writes the script, AI generates the voice, AI makes the visuals, AI edits the video, and AI even suggests the perfect title. That means you can create one video a day, even 10 videos a day if you want. People today run 10 faceless channels quietly in the background, earning thousands monthly from ads, sponsorships, affiliate commissions, and digital products. The world is consuming more content than ever before, and creators who know how to produce fast will dominate. Every video is like a tiny piece of digital real estate. It keeps paying you over and over. And when you multiply that with AI, you're no longer playing small. You're building a media empire that runs almost automatically. The fourth model is AI digital products, the fastest way to earn passive income using your knowledge, or even knowledge you learn in 1 week. Digital products can be anything: ebooks, templates, guides, courses, prompt packs, design assets, automation workflows, starter kits, niche playbooks. AI helps you create these products faster and better than most people can do manually. And the best part is, you build it once, and it sells forever. Digital products don't expire, they don't get damaged, they don't cost you anything to reproduce, and they can be sold globally with no limit. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify are full of people earning 5 or 6 figures a month selling simple digital products that AI helped them create. This model grows even bigger in 2026 when AI lets you build entire digital businesses in hours, not months. The fifth model is what I call the AI skill multiplier. This applies if you already have a skill, any skill. Maybe you design.
Maybe you code.
Maybe you write. Maybe you do marketing, sales, editing, consulting, or coaching. AI doesn't replace what you do, it amplifies it. A designer with AI becomes a creative powerhouse. A writer with AI becomes a content machine. A marketer with AI becomes unstoppable. Whatever you can do manually, AI makes you 10 times faster, giving you the ability to take on more clients, charge more, or build your own brand with less effort. Instead of starting from zero, you upgrade what you already have and multiply it. Now here's the part that most people get wrong when choosing a business model. They think they have to master everything. They think they need to know every tool, every prompt, every strategy. You don't. You only need one model, one lane, one direction. The moment you master one, the money follows naturally. Every model you pick becomes more powerful when combined with AI. But before we go to the final part, I want you to understand something deeper. The world is shifting fast. People who are slow to adapt will be left behind. The millionaires of 2026 are the people who start now. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Not when they feel ready. The ones who win are the ones who start before they feel prepared, before they know everything, before they understand the whole picture. And now we're moving into the most important part of this entire video, the part that turns ideas into actual money. I'm going to give you the step-by-step blueprint, the daily routine, and the exact strategy to go from zero to your first million using AI. The step-by-step blueprint to become an AI millionaire in 2026. Now that you understand the business models, let's bring everything together. Because ideas alone won't make you money. The people who become wealthy in 2026 are not the ones who know the most. They're the ones who move with direction. So here is the blueprint, the same structure that thousands of new AI creators, entrepreneurs, and agency owners are quietly following to change their entire life. The first step is choosing your lane. One model, one direction. Don't try to build an agency while creating content, selling digital products, and automating businesses at the same time. That's how people burn out. Pick the model that matches your personality. If you like helping businesses, focus on automation. If you prefer working alone, digital products may be your goldmine. Your first million doesn't require variety, it requires commitment. The second step is building your AI toolkit. You don't need to know every tool out there, you only need a handful that handle 80% of the work. For script writing and ideation, use ChatGPT. For visuals, think Midjourney or Leonardo. For videos, use Runway or CapCut. For automation, tools like Make, Zapier, or even ChatGPT's built-in actions are enough. Master a few tools deeply instead of chasing every new app that comes out. The third step is creating your first money-making asset. This is where most people get scared, because it's the first real action. For an agency, this might be your first client project. For automation, it's your first business system. For content, it's your first consistent week of videos. For digital products, it's your first downloadable product. The goal here is not perfection. The goal is to build something real, something that can actually generate money. Your first asset is always the hardest. After that, the momentum becomes natural. The fourth step is applying the power of consistency. This is the part nobody wants to hear, but it's the part that builds millionaires. AI makes you faster, but success still requires rhythm. Post consistently. Build consistently. Learn consistently. Improve consistently. You don't need to work 14 hours a day, you just need to show up daily with small wins that compound into massive success. AI gives you the speed. Your discipline gives you the results. The fifth step is scaling with systems. Every time you see something that takes too much time, too much energy, or too much repetition, let AI handle it. Turn your process into a workflow. Automate everything you can. Free your time to focus on growth, not survival. This is how one person can build what looks like a full team. This is how you step into real wealth, by removing yourself from the small tasks and focusing on the things that move the needle. The sixth step is reinvesting into your growth. The fastest way to get stuck is to stay at the same level of knowledge. AI evolves every single week. Tools update. New opportunities appear. People who stay updated will always stay ahead. Reinvest into better tools, better knowledge, and better skills. You're not spending money, you're buying speed, clarity, and advantage. And the final step is understanding your advantage. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the most educated. You don't need millions of followers. All you need is the courage to start before you feel ready, the consistency to show up when no one is watching, and the vision to leverage a technology that is changing the world faster than anything we have ever seen. 2026 will be a year of separation. Some people will watch AI change everything. And others will use AI to change their own lives forever. The question is, which one will you choose to be? Before we end, I want to speak directly to you. If you've watched or listened to this point, it means you already feel the shift happening. Don't let this be just another video you forget. Don't let another year pass you by. You have everything you need to start your AI journey right now. And if you're serious about mastering AI, if you want to learn the actual skills, tools, and strategies that will make you valuable in 2026 and beyond, then you need guidance, structure, and a clear roadmap. You can get all of that at edu.qasberry.com. That's where you can learn how to build real income with AI, step by step, no confusion, no guesswork. And before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This channel, Qasberry, is here to guide you through the AI revolution so you never miss the opportunities happening right in front of you.